everyone, welcome back to another crypto update, and today as always I'll be covering Vechain and I'm starting off on the daily time frame. So in previous videos I have said that I really wanted this daily support to hold here, and what happened is we did break out of that support but we failed to hold it as resistance, broke back above, and now we're using it as support, which is really good news. I know in yesterday's video I was talking a lot of bearish talking about a lot of bearish patterns and stuff like that, but that's obviously been invalidated now because the fundamental news has pushed all the charts back up, and of course I couldn't predict that at all. That was just news doing that, but it was still good news for the cryptos. And I have noticed here that we've broken out of this daily falling wedge, broken out here, and the target for that is up at the top of the falling wedge here, sorry, and that brings us up to the 55 EMA. Once we have hit that, we may come back down to 20 EMA, hold that as support, and then again continue back up again. But it's good signs that it's holding up with the 55 EMA, so that's really good. So I'm just going to add some fibs on here now to see where that all lines up and see where we are right now. Yeah, so as we can see, we've just broken above the 236. I'm hoping to see that as support here. Holding that level of support, breaking above the 382, the 5, working our way up the fibs. Once we've broken above the 0.618, which is a key point, that will be above the 20 moving average as well. Then we'll hopefully head up to the 1, which actually lines up perfectly with our target of the falling wedge as well. And as we know, once we've broken up to the 1, broken above the 1, sorry, if we do use that as support, that validates further upside, and then that will take us up to the 1618 at 16 cent for Vechain, and that is also at the top of this resistance here. So hopefully we could see that coming back up to this 1618. Maybe we'll drop down to the 1414 or the 1.270, then again heading back to the upside. Another thing as well that I just wanted to show you on the daily is this indicator here. This is called the RSI indicator, and if we're just looking at it, comparing it to this chart, to the chart up here, we can see here that we've created a higher high on the RSI and a lower low on the actual chart, and that's called a hidden bullish divergence, which is just a good sign for the chart, showing me that it's at the breakout as well of this falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. So it's also more confidence to me that we are going to be heading up to the upside. Yeah guys, so I've just moved on to my 4-hour chart for Vechain now. And as we see here, we had this short-term target, downwards target, which was from this M top here. And that has hit that twice now, used that level of support. And what we've done is we've bounced straight back up from that, engulfed this red candle here with a green candle, which is really good signs again. Come back up here, we've used this daily support. So we've broken above the daily support, you bounce back off that and created a spinning top there, which is again a bullish candle. And we've actually broken back into this ascending triangle, which we've been in for quite a while. We did break out, came back in. So now we have actually validated this target here. And to get this target, what I did was I just measured from here, from this top to the bottom, dragged it back up, put it on the breakout, and that's given us a target of 0.093 cent. Once we have hit this, if we do, I'm hoping that we do come back down to test the breakout as support again, which would line up with the 55 EMA. So that's great confluence there. Now I'm going to add some fibs, just to see where these targets take us to. So swing high. Now we know where the bottom is. We go to swing low, the bottom of that wick there. Lovely. So as we can see, we've held the 5 as support, held this support here, come back above the 0.618, which is a key level on the fibs, held that as strong support here a couple of times, which is great, pushed up, that's brought us into the ascending triangle, holding the 786. What I'd like to see then is a push up above the 1 level here. Of course, we could roll back over and test this, as I said, test the breakout as support again. However, if we don't do that and we just test the 1 as support, that is great, because that's going to push us up to hit this technical target at the 0.093 cent. And as we know, that I've said in previous videos, once we do hit the 1 and hold that strong support, that will take us up to the ultimate target at the 1618, that's 0.098 cent. And that target actually takes us up to previous resistance of this M top. So we could see us rolling back over maybe to the 1.414 or back to this technical target at the 1.272, ultimately taking us back up, holding the 1618 and heading back up for Vechain. So that's all I've really got to say today on this coin. So I just want to say, follow me on Twitter at bitbay_crypto, because I do updates there, and just chat and just share different things about cryptos on there. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment on your opinion and what you think of my videos. So yeah, okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye.